Welcome to the channel Auto Trend. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most legendary muscle cars of all time, the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu. This car was a game changer in the golden era of American muscle, combining raw power, aggressive styling, and undeniable street presence. The 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu came with multiple engine options, including the iconic 454 V8, which delivered monstrous horsepower and torque. This made it one of the most powerful and sought-after muscle cars of its time. Whether on the drag strip or cruising the streets, the Chevelle Malibu commanded attention with its roaring exhaust and dominating stance. Design-wise, this classic had italy bold lines, a wide stance, and signature dual headlights that gave it an unmistakable look. The SS trim took things up a notch with racing stripes, a cowl induction hood, and sportier aesthetics. Inside, the Chevelle Malibu balanced performance with comfort, featuring a stylish dashboard, bucket seats, and a driver-focused cockpit. It was built for speed, but it didn't sacrifice luxury. The 1970 Chevelle Malibu wasn't just about performance, it became a cultural icon. From Hollywood films to car shows, it has remained a favorite among collectors and muscle car enthusiasts. Today, fully restored models are highly valuable, proving that its appeal is as strong as ever. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more legendary car stories. What do you think about the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu? Would you love to own one of these classic beasts? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and stay tuned for more muscle car history. See you in the next video.